Hi, hello everyone, welcome to Shvedata's Kitchen. On this beautiful rainy evening, I would like to present you all this spaghetti with Chinese Manchurian balls. Wow! We'll first start to prepare the Manchurian balls. I have taken beans, carrot finely chopped, corn flour, maida and salt to mix it up. Let the veggies be very finely chopped to get the Manchurian balls crispy. We'll mix it up nicely. Keep the 1 cup of maida aside. Once it has been mixed well, again add and mix it to a perfect consistency. Add water and then make a nice dough of it. Now I have taken the left out maida, I have sprinkled the water and mixing it well all together. Once you mix, keep aside for 15 minutes. Now it's ready, we'll start to make a balls. Wet your hand and make a ball out of it. Around 20 to 25 balls we can make out of this mixture. Oil is superheat, we'll start to deep fry. Within like 10 to 15 minutes it will get golden brown and you can place it on a tissue paper to get all the excess oil absorbed by the tissue paper. Now we will cook the spaghetti. Once the water is super hot, you add the spaghetti. It's a whole wheat spaghetti. It's getting cooked. It will take some time. Once it's very soft, you can easily mix it up. Once the white bubble starts to come, it's ready. But it will take a bit more time to cook, so you must have a lot of patience. Take a very cold icy water and then add the spaghetti to the icy cold water. It will help the spaghetti to remain not sticky and also soft and perfect texture to add on to the masala. We'll prepare the sauce. I'm gonna suggest Knorr Chinese Manchurian, which is the best. You can also prepare your own sauce, but this is the easiest way. I've taken only 3 veggies. We'll start to mix it. I've taken 1 whole cup of water or 2 cups of water. Add very little consistency and be mixing it. Do not add all the water at once. Once the pan is superheat, add the butter and the oil, then fry all the veggies. After a minute, you add the mixture of the sauce. Mix it. Within no time, it will get thick. Now almost is done. You can add the Manchurian balls and mix it well and cook it on a low flame for around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, even the oil will starts to leave and shiny, and also the balls will be little bit thicker. You can easily get it out. Now we'll start to prepare the spaghetti for the Chinese Manchurian balls to complete the recipe. I've taken very simple ingredient. You can also go with your own ingredients. There is no any hardcore rule. You need to go with the same veggies and masalas. Make sure you use oil and butter together, which will give you very super blend of taste. Add all the veggies, fry till it gets golden brown and oil starts to leave, and then you can add the spaghetti to it, cooked spaghetti to it. Sorry friends, I have got catch the cold, so my voice is very different. Apologies for that. I'm adding a spaghetti. Add complete spaghetti to it and mix well. Add the spices. I have taken here thyme. And this is everyone favorite red chili flakes and ginger garlic powder for a little bit of greater flavor. Salt as required. Mix it all well. In a medium or a low flame, anything goes good. This will get in no instant, it will be ready. Be visiting my channel, enjoy